The SoundPEATS Watch 2 is a worth $59.99. Can you even classify this as a real smartwatch? If you compare it to other more expensive watches, watch this video so your questions can be answered. A lot of times when you look for a smartwatch, we instantly think about the big dogs like Apple, Google, and Samsung. But there are other affordable smartwatches like the SoundPEATS Watch 2 that offer 7 days of battery life, which is crazy. Not to mention, this watch is IP68, dust and water resistant, and the watch has a real nice sleek design. As far as the weight, the watch feels paper-like, like really. My initial impression after opening up was like, ugh, this feels really cheap. I literally waited an entire week before using it because I was turned off because of the cheap feeling. I forced myself to turn it on and use it. After that, I was surprised. If you are surprised, a subscribe to the channel and a like to this video will be amazing. Just like any other watch, you have multiple default watch faces available in the app. You'll also be able to download them on the internet and synchronize them with your phone. Speaking of the app, inside you have your daily checkups, such as how many steps do you take, how many calories you burn, and how much time you slept, and the list goes on. Keep in mind that you can create a personal profile with your current weight and your target weight goal. You can also add your height, age, and a few other things. I would recommend using the app because you will get all the full benefits of the watch, and it will help keep you on a healthy track. Your watch will do 24/7 tracking of steps, the distance, calories you burn, and your heart rate. It even measures when it's time to take a deep breath for relaxation. I feel really relaxed, guys. Now the Watch 2 has 12 different sports modes. You have jogging, which is my favorite thing to do. Honestly, it's probably the thing I do the most on the watch, but anyways, you also have fast walking, biking, climbing, spinning, yoga, indoor running, integrated training, gymnastics, basketball, football, and rowing. Did I get everything? I think that was everything. That pretty much sums it up. If you are into fitness, this is the watch for you at a reasonable price tag. So you don't have to buy no healthy watch with a big heavy price tag to hold you down. Just get something very affordable. And let me say this, if you are a person who has a hard time sleeping, this watch will keep track of your light and deep sleep patterns. This feature will help you decide the best time to go to bed so you can feel fully rejuvenated. That woosah moment. Overall, I think this watch is pretty handy. Now let's get into the conclusion of the video. Is it worth it? Well, let's lay out the pros and cons. The cons. The steps aren't always accurate while you are running or doing high-paced activities. I feel like it's about 90% accurate. I also wish there were adjustment controls like turn on and off the watch. Now, let's go into the pros. The app is pretty good and user-friendly, and as long as you give all the app all the data you need and the permissions and so forth on, it will definitely help you out in your weight loss journey or just your physical fitness journey. The battery is great, and it's almost 5 days, and I have not had a charge of watch yet. And like I said, this is just off my own personal uses. Like I said, I use it for just running and jogging and so forth, and some of you guys might use it a little bit more often than I do, which will, take away more from the battery. Now, from my point of view, the battery is definitely holding up. Now, in my personal opinion, the pros definitely outweigh the cons. The only question is, do I recommend this affordable smartwatch? I do. The SoundPEATS Watch 2 has a great design, the battery life is great, and the most important thing is the price tag. It is $59.99 to $69.99. Depends if you buy it from the official website or Amazon at the time of this recording. And again, if you are looking for tech-focused videos or the top 10 series or the futuristic series, well, this is definitely a channel for you. And also, don't forget to subscribe to the Dancing with family and make sure you like the video. And until next time, guys, I'll see you guys later.